Hey guys, finally doing the recap of one of the best events we had this year and also one of the worst events we had this year. Um, I guess first I'll show you all the action so you get an insight, and afterwards we talk details. Alright, so go and check it out. yeah, as you've seen, it was a super cool event. We had great turnout, some super nice cars. I really loved how all that stuff went down. I had some good driving in the Chase ZX, did some testing on tires, kind of reached the grip level where I want to go. Kind of went over it, but I'll get into details on that stuff in another video. Yeah, so we had good cars, lots of people attending, good vibe, good action on track, good scenery off track. People loved it. So yeah, it was the best event we had in 2022, especially the best drift event we did. So it was super cool to have Crepery Factory, the French guys, joining us. We shared the event, had good stuff going on all around. Yeah, I'm looking so forward to see more media of the event. What I've seen so far was super cool. So yeah, all that stuff was super good. So it was the best drift event we did, but it was, unfortunately, it was also the worst event for me personally this season, because I'll show you right now, so you'll see what happened. As you can see, unfortunately the PS13 catch fire while my boy Joe was driving it. Yeah, unfortunately it happened. I'm still not sure why it did. I think it was somewhere around the turbo on the hot side of the engine. As it unfortunately is with fires, it goes super quick. The whole area and the whole engine bay was on fire and went into the inside, into the cabin. The whole heater unit started to melt. From what Joe told me, he stopped immediately, jumped out of the car, started the fire extinguisher system, and track marshals came in with more fire extinguishers. Yeah, so another project which I really didn't need for winter because the car was running flawless, quite good for the last couple of years. It was a rather complete package. It wasn't up to competition spec anymore, well, kind of on the safety side, but power wise it wasn't. We were running still the SR20 with around 380 horsepower, so quite hard to get into competition and doing good, but it was a fun car nevertheless, and it was running good. So yeah, we already started to dismantle it. We already took out most of the parts. We tried to clean it as good as possible. Got the power washer into most of the engine bay, most chassis areas where all the powder was sitting. So I hope most of the stuff is out. Next we're gonna pull the engine, take out all the wiring stuff. A lot of it melted, unfortunately, and then we'll see where we go with it. As said, it's really not a project I did have planned for the next couple of months, so I'll have to see where we're gonna put this. I might put it on the shelf, so I might have to wait a little bit until we get on it. There's also some decisions to be made about the engine, if I want to stay with the SR or if we want to switch to something else. I think the engine is still okay, but I'll have to open it up and look inside, so we'll see. As you can see, there's a whole lot of stuff melted around here, so I guess this is where it all started. In this area all the wiring is fucked. I hope the link ECU is still okay. Link or ECU master or whoever out there, if you hear me, we might need a new ECU and we're happy to use yours. Shameless plug, sorry about that one. So yeah, a lot of stuff going on here. As said, I think the engine is still okay. Injectors might be okay. Wiring is all fucked up. This trigger sensor over here is fucked for sure. I guess everything plastic on this side is kinda trash. So we'll see. We're gonna pull the engine, open it up, see where we at. Over here you see even the brake reservoir started to melt, so there was a lot of heat coming over. Inside, as said, we already started to strip everything. We'll need to do some extra fab work on the chassis. I think the chassis is still okay, but I want to get this stuff out. We need to pull all the plastics. Yeah, we're probably gonna cut off the front end to make it easier to work on. We'll see about that stuff. And then, yeah, prep the chassis, get that stuff ready, and yeah, we'll see. I don't know. I'm still kind of in shock as it is with stuff like this. So we'll see where we go. As I said, it's not something I've planned, so there's neither time nor money for this project at this point. So maybe best thing will be to put it on the shelf for the minute, finish up the other cars, finish up other projects, get some cash flow going, and then get back on it at another point. Yeah. Fortunately, the Chase X is running good. It's at a point now where it's quite solid. We still need to sort out the cooling system a little bit, but I think we'll do good with the relocation of the oil cooler. So that should be sorted, I think. There was an odd failure we experienced at the Nürburgring, which I figured out, where it wouldn't start, and then all of a sudden start again. So we figured that one out too. Yeah. So yeah, S13. Let me know what you guys think, what we should do. Let me know what you guys think about the event. If you liked the footage, if you liked what happened, if you liked how it went down, if you've been there, make sure to comment and give me your point of view, how you experienced the event. Also let me know what we should do with the S13, get it up to fun spec, put back the SR, or get a different engine, JZ, not so keen on RBs, or a V8, not so keen on V8s actually, but would have to be some crazy spec V8, I don't know. Yeah, let me know what you think, let me know what we should do with this car. Yeah, if you haven't done so far, make sure to subscribe, like, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.